In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a view in Airtable. We'll use filters, sorts, and groups. The quickest way to tailor exactly what you see without changing your underlying data. Start by opening your table and selecting the view you want to customize. This could be your main grid or any saved view in your sidebar. Remember, any changes you make here apply only to this view, so it's a safe place to fine-tune what you see without affecting teammates who use other views. Let's begin with filter. Click the filter option at the top of your view. You'll see a place to add a condition. Think of this as telling Airtable which records should be visible. For example, choose the status field and set it to equals active. Instantly, records that don't match are hidden, giving you a clean, focused list. If you need more precision, add additional conditions like priority equals high or due date is on or after today. You can switch between all conditions and any conditions to control whether every rule must match or just one of them. If something disappears that you expected to see, double-check the field value and operator. You can use options like equals, does not equal, contains, or is empty to match your data accurately. You can always remove or toggle filters to quickly widen your view again. Next, click Sort to control the order of your records. Choose a field such as due date and set it to show the earliest first. This moves the most urgent items to the top while leaving the data itself untouched. If two records share the same date, Airtable will keep a stable order and your filter stays applied. You can clear or adjust the sort at any time to focus on different fields, like sorting by priority or last modified if that's more useful for your workflow. Finally, click Group to organize your records into collapsible sections. Pick a field like Owner or Status, and Airtable will create a labeled group for each value. This makes it easy to scan what belongs to whom or what stage each item is in. You can collapse groups you don't need to see, expand the ones you're working on, and quickly understand counts and patterns at a glance. Sorting still applies within each group, and your filters remain active. That's it. Filters narrow your list, sorts set the order, and groups structure what's left. Together, they create a clear, custom view that helps you focus on exactly what matters.